Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CNH struggles around 7.000 as US dollar consolidates Fed-led losses. http ntvforex.com News ID 342A8E. 4 minutes ago. By Anil Panchal. USD CNH recovers from intraday low of 6.9916, defies the previous day's losses. The surge in the coronavirus cases in China and the US joins hopes of fiscal stimulus from America. US dollar retraces from the lowest since June 2018 following the heavy rush to the south past FOMC. USD CNH picks up the bids around 6.9975 during the early Thursday. The quote recently benefited from the latest coronavirus COVID-19 updates from American and Beijing. Also supporting the pair's U-turn from a two-day low is the latest news that increases odds of the much-awaited fiscal package from the U.S. Reuters cites the Chinese Health Commission to mark an increase in the pandemic cases on Thursday. As per the recent update, the Dragon Nation reported 105 new versus 101 marked a day earlier. Out of the total, 96 were in the far western region of Xinjiang, 5 were in the northeastern province of Liaoning, 1 was in Beijing, and 3 were imported cases, according to a statement by the National Health Commission, mentioned the news. There are a total of 84,165 confirmed cases in the Asian major as of Wednesday. On the other hand, the total numbers of new cases cross 4.5 million with the latest surge in the death toll, by over 1,200, marking 665K numbers of people who died due to the virus. Following his signals that the deal on the unemployment claims benefit could be reached on Friday, the day of the stimulus expiry, U.S. Senate Leader Mitch McConnell opens the door to a smaller COVID-19 relief package than the $1.0 trillion proposal unveiled by Republicans earlier this week. This helps the U.S. dollar to recover the multi-year low. The U.S. dollar index DXY slumped to 93.17, the lowest since June 14, 2018, the previous day. The move could be traced from the Federal Reserve's bearish bias and the increase in the pandemic numbers, not to forget uncertainty over the fiscal package. Market's risk tone sentiment remains sluggish as the U.S. Treasury bonds and stock futures print mild losses whereas stocks in Asia-Pacific mark gains. Trader may now wait for the U.S. Q2 GDP figures for fresh impulse while keeping eyes on the risk catalysts. While the forecasts suggest 35.1% of figures versus 5.0% prior contractions, any upside surprises could help the greenback to extend the latest pullback. Technical analysis. A downward sloping trend line from June 4, at 7.0200, followed by a 200-day SMA level around 7.0330, restricts the pair's near-term upside. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 6.9972. Today daily change. 0.0000. Today daily change percent. 0.00. Today daily open. 6.9972. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 7.0088. Daily SMA 50. 7.0618. Daily SMA 100. 7.0769. Daily SMA 200. 7.0337. Levels. Previous daily high. 7.0096. Previous daily low. 6.9948. Previous weekly high. 7.0304. Previous weekly low. 6.9642. Previous monthly high. 7.1518. Previous monthly low. 7.04. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 7.0005. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 7.004. Daily Pivot Point S1. 6.9915. Daily Pivot Point S2. 6.9858. Daily pivot point S3. 6.9767. Daily pivot point R1. 7.0063. Daily pivot point R2. 7.0154. Daily pivot point R3. 7.0211. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.